at the top of the slide. You can hold A, or excuse me, A at the top of the slide, and I'm going to have M at the bottom of the slide. Now, when you're in the middle of a slide, you don't stop or somebody's going to bump into you, right? That would hurt, so let's not bump into each other. Let's hold out that sound. Ready? Let's see if Brittany can hold out that sound. Ready? Oh, now we're heading into an M. Let's try it. Let's do it a little faster. Ready? Oh my goodness. I am so glad you just read your first word. Let's try another one. And then you put hold out that sound of S. I know you can't see this, just pretend. Hold out that first sound. Ready? Sam. So say it fast way. Sam. Oh, you guys were very good at that slide. The very first time you put it away.